I love the smell of the fresh box. Happy New Year everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Dak Bobby Jacobs, and I'm so excited for this year 2021 because I want to try out new things and I want to try different contents, and also I want to grow my YouTube channel even bigger than the last years. So in order to help this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do right now before you start watching my videos. And that's besides the point. Check this out. I got this package 2 days ago. It's Kemei KM-1931, and it's kind of like a replica of Andis tea outliners. I got this from Aliexpress during the Black Friday sales, around like 20 bucks or so. I'll put that link in the description. So today I'm gonna do unboxing once again and also do some reviewing. So without further ado, let's get started. Boss. Alright guys, so this is what the box looks like. It's super shiny and super nicely done, and all the information you need is written on the box. Inside the box, the first thing we see is the main body. It's Kemei 1931, and look at this. Isn't it super sexy? Like, I really love like that size. It's the right size for the trimmer. It's really similar to Andis tea outliners. The only differences I think I found is the button is attached on the side, and there's also, like, you know, lights that's turning on and off, and also it's already skeleton. And I'm gonna try to zero gap this later because I don't think this is zero gapped, and the blaze is pretty smooth, and you know, so far it seems good, and the motor sound is pretty quiet, so it's really nice for a trimmer like this. So for accessories, they sent me some guards. I think they're 5 in total. That's a lot, but it's pretty cool. You know, you can always trim a beard. And the USB cable is of course attached for charging. It fits right into it. I don't know if I can use it with the corded trimmer, so it's also when you're running out of battery you can always use it. But this is about it. But without further ado, let's get right into the performance review. So I'm just giving a cut to my boy AB right now by using Kemei 1931. And overall it works super nice, but only thing that I found is that I couldn't zero gap the blade, so it's not as sharp as Kemei 1971, but I really like how the size of the clipper is, and also, you know, like the mobility of the hair clippers is super nice. I'll take a look into how to zero gap it properly, but I wouldn't use it for like lining up the hair, but I'd rather use it for, like, you know, debulking the hair after creating an initial guideline. So I'll put the link in the description if you want to purchase this, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, and I hope to see you very soon. Peace.
Perfect.